Aumox reached out to me and they wanted to send me some switches. And so I'd never used their switches before, and they're just basic PoE switches. But I'll tell you, just for basic PoE switches, I posted this on Twitter, and somebody was like, "Oh yeah, they are supposed to just work and do PoE and all that." And so they sent me. I've got them right here. Oh, we'll talk about this device as well. Um, so let's see here. Um, so this one is the Aumox. This is the 8-port PoE switch. Now, these are no frill PoE switches, right? So it's a standard 8-port. It's got a metal housing. On the back, there's a grounding lug. It uses the standard power cable that we're all used to. It does have feet on the bottom. You can mount it. What I really like about this switch is it's no frills. This was powering, this 8-port has been powering phones and Grandstream UCM 6301 since like November. No problems. If you're looking for it, just a PoE switch, and sometimes you just need that, I'm going to show you the price on this. I don't think that you can beat it. Then the reason that this one is in the box, this 5-port, and it looks brand new when I'm opening it, is because it is brand new. So somebody had told me, which was funny, that when I had started saying that I was testing these, that they had a problem with the power on one of these. And so like I said, before I was going to talk about these and show them off, I wanted to run them because I didn't know anything about them. So both of these devices were in the other room running phones. Now this is the 5-port, and you can see here that they designated an uplink port and then 4 other ports. And it uses the exact same chassis as the other one. Here's our standard power. Here's our grounding lug. On the bottom, it's got the built-in metal feet. You can mount it. This thing was running great. I plugged in the Grandstream 6301, and this switch lasted about a day. Now, to Aumox's credit, I reached out to them, and they immediately, within 2 days, I had a replacement for this switch. Now, the downside to that is they wanted me to send the 5-port switch all the way to China for an autopsy. Now, when you see the price of this switch, you'll understand why I am hesitant to spend $50 to $60 to ship this back, right? But I will tell you, if you just need a basic PoE switch, I'm going to tell you, these switches work great. And so let's take a look here. So here is the 8-port. You got 120 watts of PoE. It is unmanaged, right? So whatever uplink you've got this in, you're going to have to make sure that it's on the proper VLAN. You've got QoS, all that good stuff on the uplink. But $59.99 and free shipping. And so I've got an affiliate link down in the description of this video for this. Now it says it does traffic optimization. I can't really speak to that because I was just blasting voice over IP everything on these switches is what I was testing it for. I did for a moment have an AP plugged into it, but it's only got a gigabit port and I needed a 2.5 gig port. So yeah, so $59.99 for the 8-port, and then if we look at the 5-port, it's $36.99. So the shipping on my dime to send this back to China for them to do an autopsy of why it died, I don't think that I can justify that. I'm getting ready to send a UC3200 back to Synology, and that's going to cost me probably $200 in shipping with as big as the box is and as heavy as that thing is. So, but they were super responsive when this thing died. Like same day, I got an email back, and they're like, "Okay, there's a new one in the mail." So I'm going to cut this section out of the live stream and post this as my Aumox review. Like I said, here's the 5-port, and they work great. They work fine. They do exactly what Aumox says they're going to do. They provide PoE. I only had the one problem where this died after a couple months. and they replaced it very, very quickly. So they have a standard, 1-year warranty. And if you're using these every day, $36.99, and this thing only lasts a year, I know this is going to sound crazy to say this, but I mean, you've got your money's worth out of a Switch after 1 year at $36.99. So here they are, the Aumox 8-port, 5-port. There are links down below. And yeah, if you just need PoE, throw this in a bag, take it with you. For the price, no controller needed, none of that stuff. What a great piece of kit for that, right? So yeah, I can recommend the Aumox Switch based on my experience with them.